Hello everyone, so let's start this video. The question we have over here is which of the following statement about Leishmaniasis is false? Here we have some option. It occurs in three different forms that vary in severity. It is caused by an intracellular parasite. It is most effectively prevented by Th2 response rather than Th1 response. And D is that it is transmitted by the bite of an infected sand fly. Leishmaniasis is a parasitic disease that is found in parts of the tropics, subtropic, and southern Europe. It is classified as negligible.